What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off enhanced accuracy for keyboard typing in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings and then scroll down and here click on more typing options. Now here you will see a enhanced accuracy button. So if you want to turn off enhanced accuracy for the keyboard typing, then turn off this button. And if you want to turn on enhanced accuracy for keyboard typing, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off enhanced accuracy for keyboard typing in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.